Opening. Hey everyone. Waving hand. Today we're going to talk about English grammar, specifically something called verbals. You've probably heard these words before. Infinitives, gerunds, and participles. Sounds a little technical, right? But don't worry, I'll make it super easy to understand. So what are verbals? They look like verbs, but they don't act like verbs. Instead, they work as nouns, adjectives, or adverbs. Kind of tricky, but once you get the idea, you'll see them everywhere. Explaining verbals. Let's go over the three types. Infinitives, that's to plus verb, like to eat, to study, to go. Sometimes we just use the base form. For example, after make or let. Like, my mom made me clean my room. No to there, just clean. That's called the bare infinitive. Then we have gerunds. That's the ing form used as a noun. For example, swimming is fun. Here, swimming is not an action. It's the thing that's fun, a noun. And lastly, participles. Those come in two types. The present participle, the ing form, and the past participle, usually ed. They're often used as adjectives, like a broken window or a sleeping baby. So, infinitives, gerunds, participles, together we call them verbals. Why they matter? Now, why do we care about verbals? Well, they show up everywhere. In reading, writing, and especially in exams like TOEIC, ICANN, or school tests. They look simple because they use words you already know. But the meaning can completely change depending on which form you use. And that's what confuses a lot of learners. So today, let's slow down and focus on just one example. Remember and forget. Focus on remember and forget. These two verbs are interesting because they can take both a gerund, ing, or an infinitive to plus verb. But here's the key. The meaning changes depending on which one you use. Key point. Let's start with remember/forget plus gerund. That's about the past. For example, I remember meeting him. That means I met him before, and I remember that experience. Or, I'll never forget seeing him. I saw him before, and that memory will stay with me forever. So, gerund equals something that already happened. Now compare that with remember/forget plus infinitive. This is about the future. For example, remember to call me tomorrow. Don't forget to do it in the future. Or, don't forget to post this letter. Please do it later, a future action. So the rule is simple. Gerund equals past event. Infinitive equals future action. Let's practice. All right, let's practice together. I'll give you a sentence. Try to guess the correct form. Backhand index pointing right. I remember him when he was a boy. What do you think? Yes, I remember seeing him. Because it's something that happened in the past. Next one. Backhand index pointing right. Please remember, call me at 7 tomorrow. That's the future, right? So, remember to call me. Next. Backhand index pointing right. Don't forget, post this letter on your way to school. Again, something you need to do later. So don't forget to post it. And one more. Backhand index pointing right. I'll never forget him at that time. That's a memory. It already happened. So, I'll never forget seeing him. Great. You're getting it. Common mistakes. Now here's a common mistake. Some students say, I remember to meet him yesterday. But that doesn't make sense. because to meet means a future plan, and yesterday is the past. So you have to say, I remember meeting him yesterday. Got it. Another one. Don't forget seeing him. That sounds weird too. You can say that, but it means don't forget that memory. Usually we mean don't forget to see him. As in, make sure you meet him later. So again, the small change changes the meaning. Memory tip. Here's a fun way to remember it. Brain if it's already in your memory, use ing. Calendar if it's still on your to-do list, use to plus verb. So, I remember meeting her. Equals it's in my memory. Remember to meet her. Equals it's on my to-do list. Easy, right? Summary. Okay, let's wrap up. Today we learned about verbals, especially how remember and forget work with gerunds and infinitives. Quick review. Gerund, ing, past event. Infinitive, to plus verb, future action. A small difference, but super important. So next time you use remember or forget, ask yourself, am I talking about something that already happened or something I still need to do? Once you start noticing that, your grammar and your confidence will level up fast. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson. Waving and.